Welcome to Naples Motorsports. My name is Ron Ward. Today we're inside a 2014 Saleen S302. It's the 30th anniversary edition, and I've had a lot of requests to say, what exactly is that car like to drive? So let's take a look and see what it's like. What's really nice about this car is that keep your foot out of the throttle and it feels very tame. It's got a great exhaust note to it. Very nice suspension. Steering reacts very, very nicely. I can see driving this car every day would be a blast. You're going back and forth to work, or if you just want to have a little bit of fun with it. Let's slow down a little bit here. Just feel what the car, see what the car feels like, and just a little bit of an acceleration. Just listen to the motor. Wow. Boy, if that isn't impressive. When we ordered this particular car, we also ordered it with all of the available factory options. Navigation system, Bluetooth, it's got the sync system. Technologically, I don't know of a car that's more advanced. I gotta tell you, I love the sound of this car. Driving it every day would be so intoxicating. Just feel that and listen to that car, just that supercharger kick in. 625 horsepower. Wow. Not to mention the fact, limited production, only 10 cars built. What a collector's item. Well, now we're back. I know it was a short drive, but I gotta tell you, a ton of fun. If you're thinking about a Mustang, you gotta give Saleen a chance. Only 10 of these produced, very collectible. Nobody does it better than Steve Saleen. Give me a call, Ron Ward, Naples Motorsports, 239-776-1310. Talk to you soon.